Welcome to day 17 of learning Python. In this video, we are going to learn about while loops in Python. In the last video, we saw and we understood what are the for loops. Yes, let's get started. We already seen for loops in action and they look very satisfying and we it looks like we can accomplish everything with them, but sometimes while loops is very helpful. What exactly is while loop? Let's find out. Let me create a folder file maybe while.py. So I already showed you something in the last video which was you can like always print 1 to 5. You cannot stop anyone from doing that, but you can always give a stronger challenge like printing 1 to 1 million, which is very few people or I would say nobody would be able to accomplish alone. Let's try to accomplish the same thing using while loop. I can say maybe while I then 6 use colon print I. But what is I? We have to define that also, right? I equal to 1 and again we are inside the while loop. I equal to I plus 1. What is this I plus 1? Let me explain. So yeah, the main rule of while loop is it runs until the condition is true. So now I is equal to 1. Then you can let me explain this loop from the very top maybe. Yeah, when I say I is equal to 1, the value of I is now 1 and assigned to value 1. We already seen such statement. So while I is less than 6, the rule of while loop says that firstly this condition need to be checked, will be checked. If value is less than 6, the loop will be executed, otherwise it will be exited. Okay, now since 1 is less than 6, the loop is executed, so it will print I in the next line. Then when we go to fourth line, it is this statement also still inside the while loop. Now let me make it little zoom so that it will be more clear. So I is 1 now. What happens is I equal to I plus 1. Then it will become 2. Okay, now I is 2. Now what happens is since this is a while loop, again it will go return to I. Now I is 2. Now it will go to second line, that is while statement. It will check 2 is 2 is less than 6. Yes, it is less than 6. Then it will print 2. Now the I will become 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Same thing happens again. 3 less than 3, then it will print 3, it will become 4 till it will become 6. What happens is now I is 6 and now I while statement will check is I is I mean the 6 is less than 6. No, it's not less than 6. So it will not print the 6 one. The while loop will be exited. So the result should be 1 to 5. Let's see. Yeah, 1 to 5 is printed. So this is the magic of while loop. While loop is very simple, but at the first glance it might look very difficult to grasp. But do a dry run, start running the while loop, tell yourself what is the value of I. Value of I is 1, then the I is less than 6, 1 is less than 6 is true, print 1, then the value of I updates to 2, then it will run for 2, like that the loop goes on. I can show you like other examples also, maybe related to count. I just pasted the example. Count, it will be 0 in the first count value. Then the inside the while statement, count value will be checked. Is it less than 5? Then it will print the count number. Then the count number will be keep on adding until it will reach less than 5. That is 4. If I run this program, okay, I will just comment out this part. Yeah, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is printed. These kind of codes are used for like counters. It will be helpful. Okay, now before we wrap this video, I want to discuss something about infinite loops. infinite loops are very useful, but if you accidentally convert a regular loop into an infinite loop, you are going to get into a trouble. Okay, let me create a folder 02 infinite dot py. Okay, let me show what exactly infinite loop are. Let us say I forget to, maybe I will copy this one. Let us say maybe I forget to update the value. What happened here is did not update the value to plus 1. So the 1 will be keep on repeating on loop because the I value is not updated here, right? It is just I removed the I equal to I equal to I plus 1 part. So if I run this, I will get the result of 1. It will be keep on looping until my system crashes or hung, or I may get into other trouble in my machine. Who knows? So let's see what happens. I will run this one. Yes, you can see that 1111 is printing. I will just delete it so that my software will not get hung, which I'm using to record this screen. So these type of mistake can end up in infinite loops. But sometimes infinite loops are very useful. You can deliberately create an infinite loop by writing the while true. I can show you how is it. While true, you print I equal to I plus 1. What happens here? So if I try to run this one, it will it will keep on printing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 until maybe my system crashes or hung. So let's see. You can see it's keep on printing. I'll just quickly delete. So, but again, you do not want to do that because this is an infinite loop and you don't want to create an infinite loop because eventually your system will crash and you don't want to do that. So, always create a mindful loops, and whenever you are working with while loops, you have to be very careful. This is the reason why beginner programmers are advised not to use the while loops, because if they run into errors, they will keep on running, and this will make your execution go forever, and you don't want to do that. But on the other hand, sometimes while loop can be the like different way of solving the problem. We will see the such example in the future videos, but for now this is while loop, and this is how an infinite loop can be accidentally or intentionally created. I hope you are able to understand about while and infinite loops. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.